Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you where to find your username and passwords that you've saved inside of Safari on a Mac. The nice thing here is, if you've saved passwords to your keychain on either your Mac or your iOS devices, the passwords will all be synced across. To find your passwords on a Mac, with Safari open, choose Safari on the top left and then Preferences. Inside of the Preferences menu, choose the Passwords tab. The Password tab is locked by default, so enter the password that you use to open and log into your Mac. You'll then be taken to the saved password list. You can then search for the password that you're looking for by either using the search bar at the top or scrolling through the list. When you find what you're looking for, choose it, and on the right side you'll see your login username and password for the website. Hover over top the hidden password and you can then see it. Apple has also added the compromised password detection, so if the password was involved in a data leak, it'll let you know. If you'd like, you can then hit change password on website to be taken to the site so that you can update it to something stronger. And finally, if you'd like to remove a saved password from your list, just select the entry on the left and then hit the minus icon underneath. And that's how you find saved username and passwords for Safari on a Mac. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.